Hello YouTube, Nathan. Today I'd like to talk to you about a couple of props that go together. First of all, I want to say about the Dalek Kamikaze bomb. This is the type that the doctor was making with a small fuse. I made a tiny little question mark, Doctor Who thing. This does go, these two red spots are magnetic. This whole thing is, this part PVC, PVC, PVC. Christmas ornaments, a PVC plug, acrylic top, and some Ethernet cable wire, yellow. I also made a PVC version of the Tom Baker sonic screwdriver. This is all PVC. Do you want me to blow this up now or later? Too late.
Malfunction! Malfunction! Cheer up.
Special delivery.
Okay.
Wrong screwdriver. This other screwdriver is my first screwdriver. It's made out of PVC, and it's a pen hull and I don't know, some sort of glue tip or something like that. And the ring is made of a pop bottle top. As I said, this was my first one. I wanted it to glow, so I put wires on there and an LED to make it glow. That's pretty much all on this one. I just wanted to show you this because it was a very old, one of my first props. Any specifics about the sonic screwdriver or the Dalek Kamikaze bomb? Go to click the link below to go to TARDIS Builders and take a look around. Thank you for watching.